It is September 29th and we're almost in October. He's asked me to come look at this. I don't know what I'm looking at, but we are about to find out. Ooh, that's really pretty.
Don't pull a sand on me.
No, that's gonna be nice. Behind the cushions. Oh, wow. That's going to make that shelf nice too, because you won't have to worry about stuff sliding off of it.
So, I'm going to have to be real careful on my placement of this because you can see it's a little bit off right now.
Uh-huh.
So should I try to bring it down a little bit? I think I probably need it more on this side, but I can make some adjustments to things. Is that going to be too high is the question?
I don't think so. I think that'll be good to keep stuff from sliding off of the shelf, don't you?
I guess so, yeah.
And it gets thicker the more you do it down, it's going to be thicker because it bows out, right?
Not really. It had to come out a little bit because of this edge that I ended up grinding out. So
okay.
I ground down a lot here. I'm going to cut away this. I've already ground down these pieces behind here. I just need to cut this away. It'll lay a little bit more square against this with this bevel here.
I like it.
It'll plane a little bit better. It's gotten it sucked up a little bit closer to this.
I mean, I would go with whatever you decide, but that will, keep things on the shelf, keep them from falling off.
And that's 4 inches of a ledge rail, and you still have about 3 inches of clearance space back here.
I think it's, like I say, what are you feeling? You're the more engineered mindset than I am.
But you've wanted this, so I'm just trying to make it work, and I think I've gotten it to a point to where
Cory,
it's going to work pretty good.
It's not me. You picked that up off the garbage.
But you liked it.
I do like it. I do like it, but it's not I wanted this.
Okay.
Don't make it about me.
And I think
nice.
This would probably be more like here. Yeah, probably right about there. That's what I'm thinking right now.
That'd look really nice. But it's up to you. I've told you several times with this, most of the time, unless it's made into a bed, it's not going to show because the cushions are going to be there.
Yeah.
So I think it looks cool, but it's up to you. And I have made it out to the trailer to see what Cory was bringing me out for. And it appears that the back of our couch is starting to take shape. Yay! If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.